Unlocking Secrets. Understanding Confidential Report. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the English language and unlock its mysteries one video at a time. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase that you might have heard in movies, news, or in the workplace: confidential report. Stick around as we break down what it means, why it's important, and how you can use this knowledge in your English language journey. First things first, let's dissect the phrase confidential report into its two key components: confidential and report. Confidential refers to something that is meant to be kept secret or private. It's not intended for the public's eyes or ears. Confidentiality is crucial in various contexts, such as personal information, business data, or government secrets. Report, on the other hand, is a document or an announcement that provides information about a particular subject or event. Reports are used to communicate findings, results, or recommendations and can come in many forms, such as written documents, presentations, or verbal briefings. When combined, a confidential report is a document containing sensitive, private, or secret information that is not meant to be shared with everyone. It's intended for a specific audience, usually limited to certain individuals within an organization or group. Confidential reports play a critical role in various sectors, including business, government, and healthcare. They are used to protect sensitive information. This could include personal data, trade secrets, or national security details. Informed decision-making. Confidential reports often contain vital information that helps leaders make informed decisions. Ensure privacy and security. By keeping certain information confidential, organizations can safeguard individuals' privacy and the integrity of sensitive projects. Understanding the significance of confidential reports helps in appreciating the gravity of such documents and the information they contain. Knowing when and how to refer to a report as confidential is important in both professional and academic settings. In professional communication, you might encounter or need to create confidential reports when dealing with HR matters, strategic planning, or financial analysis. It's crucial to label these documents appropriately and share them only with authorized individuals. In academic contexts, discussing case studies or research might involve referencing confidential reports. Here, it's important to respect the confidentiality of the information, even if the specific details are not disclosed. Whenever you're dealing with a confidential report, remember the key principles of confidentiality: respect, privacy, and discretion. And that wraps up our exploration of the term confidential report. We hope this video has shed light on what makes these documents so special and why their confidentiality is paramount. Whether you're navigating the professional world or just curious about the intricacies of the English language, understanding terms like these enriches your knowledge and communication skills. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, please leave a comment below. Until next time, keep learning and keep curious.